This is Prof.L.B.Gayakawad's English Literature Web. I am Professor L.B. Gayakawad is teaching today the topic Features of Paralanguage. This is my lecture number 326, part first. Here, going to the topic, I will request you first to watch, like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Then I will request you to see all these notes in the description box, and now we will go to the topic. We can learn the features of paralanguage through linguistic point of view. Remember, when we learn the paralanguage, then we cannot forget the linguistic point of view, because when paralanguage is there, that paralanguage is related with our body, means our body actions, movements, and all these body movements and postures are related with the intonation, pitch, and that's why here all these points are related with the linguistic point, and that's why the linguistic and the paralanguage cannot be separated. It means we must study linguistics to know the features of the paralanguage. According to Abercrombie, we speak with our vocal organs. Remember, vocal organs means these are the vocal cords, and there are the organs means I will say nose is there, then these upper lips are there, lower lips are there, teeth are there, means all these I will say are the organs of speech. They are called the vocal symbols, or they are called the vocal, I will say, the organs. And we speak all these means words or phrases, or we speak language, we speak with our vocal organs according to Abercrombie, but we converse with our entire body. Means here Abercrombie has made a difference between the two things, that when we speak with our vocal organs, means our speaking is related with the vocal organs, but our conversation is related with our total body. It means that our body makes the conversation with the movements of the body. Speaking is done with vocal cords and the organs, but the conversation is done with our body. That is the particular thing which is told us by Abercrombie. We are unable to understand the conversational use of speech till we cannot think of the paralinguistic elements with them. So remember here the point is that conversational speech and the paralinguistic elements are linked together, means we cannot put them separate from each other. It is true, we cannot know the conversational speech without taking help of the non-verbal communication. That is the point. Now we are going to discuss here the feature of the paralanguage. So the first feature is paralanguage is systematic. This paralanguage has a particular system, structure, and code of conduct. It means that it governs, or it carries the particular system, means it is systematic. Structure is there, that is it is structured, means the particular order is there to it. And code of conduct means it has the rules and regulations. It is systemic, that is the system is there. It is the main feature of this paralanguage, I will say. It explains its gestures, its means, when is used within the explicit scene, means remember when the outward scene is there, so it is used because the relation of the body comes with the outward scene or outward environment. When we are there in the public, then we are in the outward situation, and in front of the public we give our speech, and that is called the body postures, and all these body postures are related with the paralanguage. When a person fumbles, that is handles clumsily while speaking, means when that person is speaking and he is speaking with clumsy tone, or if that person is confused, he uses the sound r. He uses the sound r. It means that this r sound shows the confusion of this gentleman, which is the result of the paralanguage system, and this is called the paralanguage systems. It means that the body postures come out of the body, and these body postures are related with the paralanguage, I will say. Total body expressions are considered in the paralinguistic theme, and that's why here it is the explanation that all the body postures, all the body expressions are related with the paralinguistic theme. It tells meaning of the idea more than words and the phrases. Remember, when we use the words and the phrases, all these words and phrases cannot be understood by persons, but when body posture or paralanguage is used there, then easily people can understand, because those gestures are understood very easily, and that's why it is said that the paralanguage is more easy, I will say here, than the words and phrases. It means that than the verbal communication. For example, we will give singing. When singing is there, the public will understand easily. Then taking tone up and down, means when the singer is there, he takes the tone up and then down. This is the particular thing, and this thing is very much interesting, and that's why the audience can understand it very easily, and so we can say that this system tells meaning more than words. Now the second point is here, paralanguage is vocal or kinetic. So here I will say that the paralanguage is vocal. It means that it has been made of the vocal cords, means there are the vocal I will say organs, and it is related with it. Then it is kinetic, means it is speed oriented, means there is the speed to this situation, because when man talks, he takes some speed, means he speaks slowly or he speaks rather speedily. So this is kinetic, and so this is called the kinetic. It means all gestures need vocal cords, speed and motions. It is brought often and often into practice, and again this thing is brought into practice, because the body works and works there, and that's why all these things are brought into the practice always. Its first part is gestures. It is known through movements, and all the gestures are known through the movements, means if we want to learn the gestures, then we should see all the body movements of the person, then we can say that these are the gestures of that person. The second is proximic, that is the person in nearest contact, that is proximic. So the second is proximic. It is known also through movement, means when the person is near, that is also is shown with the paralanguage or body postures, and that is why it is also the particular thing which is related with the paralanguage. The last is vocal. It is known through verbal or dynamic. Remember, when vocal is there, that is the particular thing which is related with the verbal communication, or dynamic means it is the particular thing which is used through various systems, and that's why it is called the dynamic. Now the last point is, I will say, the expressing paralanguage. The speaker or the listener, while communicating, often use paralanguage to enjoy exact thoughts and sentimentality. They exchange different feelings and desires with transmitting various information. Means when they here I will say, when they communicate their feelings and desire, they transmit, means they transfer various information. It means that different type of information they transfer from one place to the second place, and make use of different purpose of language. Here it expresses various informations, express various words, their significance with a special communicative functional value. It makes communication precise, clear, with multi-layered role and expressing words. So here today we have finished the features of paralanguage. Again we will have a new topic. Till then, thank you very much.